Welcome back to PD Artography. This is part 4 of the brush tool tutorials. Let's see how to create custom smoke or cloud brushes in Photoshop. I will show you how to convert smoke images or cloud images with any backgrounds into a brush preset, and the method will be the same for both. Open any smoke image in Photoshop, no matter whatever the background. Take any selection tool you like. Make the rough selection of the smoke. Create the mask. Now double-click the mask, select the Refine Edge Brush tool, paint over the edges. Increase the feather amount, and hit OK. Hold Ctrl key and click on the mask icon to create a selection of the mask. If you want, then you can simply take the selection and create a new layer, and fill the selection with black color, and then save the brush. But if you think the selection needs to refine a bit more, then go to the Channels panel. By holding down Ctrl, Shift, and Alt key on the keyboard, click on the blue channel thumbnail. By doing this you cancel out the darkest part of the selection. Crop out the extra areas if you need. Before saving the brushes, make sure you have a complete white background. And then, you can simply take the selection, and create a new layer, and fill the selection with black color, and then save the brush. As I said before, for cloud images the method is same. There is no change in the method at all. If you have any other methods, which are more easier than this one, comment down and let me know. See you guys in next video.